Aminado ang Malacanang poder sa pananalapi ng Senado bilang kahiwalay na sangay ng gobyerno. Reaksyon ito ng palasyo sa kiniwestisyong pamamahagi ng cash gift ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile sa mga senador at empleyado ng Senado. Si Elena Luna nag-uulat.
Tumangging magkomento ang palasyo sa umunoy pamamahagi ni Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile ng cash gift sa mga kasamahang senador noong Pasko.
I don't think the palace has to comment on what is essentially an internal matter in the Senate. It's better, I think, it's more appropriate if you ask the senators themselves who are involved in the issue.
Ang umunoy ipinamahaging cash gift ay mula sa savings ng Senado. Kahit pa sinasabing public fund ito, nanindigan ng palasyo na hindi makikialam. Sinabi ni Communications Secretary Ricky Carandang na kinikilala ng palasyo ang pagiging magkahiwalay na sangay ng gobyerno ng lehislatura at ehekutibo.
The Senate has fiscal autonomy from the executive. We can't tell them how to spend their money. And there is a separation of powers. And at this point, I think you can see that we are managing our funds in the way we see fit. At this point, we would not to what's going on as far as that issue is concerned in the Senate.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.